In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically set up Morgen Calendar with Todoist so you can time block your Todoist tasks in Morgen. We're going to connect your Todoist account to Morgen so your task lists show up right next to your calendar, and you can block focused time to get them done. Start by opening the Morgen app on your desktop, or use Morgen on the web if that's where you prefer to work. You'll get the best experience with the desktop app, but either one works for this setup. Next, head to Preferences. Click your profile icon or initials in the bottom left corner of Morgen, choose Preferences, and look for the Integrations tab. In some versions, this might be labeled Task and Projects. Don't worry if the name is slightly different. You're in the right place as long as you can see integrations listed. Find Todoist in the list and click Sign In with Todoist. You'll be prompted to authorize Morgen to access your Todoist account. Confirm the permissions so Morgen can read your tasks and keep them in sync. Once you're connected, your Todoist tasks will appear in Morgen's task panel automatically. You'll see your tasks organized by project, due date, and priority, similar to how they look in Todoist. From here, Morgen supports a two-way sync that's currently in beta. That means when you drag a task onto your calendar and give it a scheduled time, that scheduling can update the due date back in Todoist. And when you complete a task in Morgen, it will be marked as done in Todoist as well. Sync can take a moment, so give it a few seconds to reflect changes. Now let's time block. You can use Morgen's AI planner to suggest time blocks for your tasks based on your availability. It's a quick way to generate a realistic plan for your day. If you prefer a hands-on approach, simply drag a Todoist task from the sidebar onto your calendar at the time you want to work on it. Resize the block to match the effort required and move it around if your day shifts. This keeps your calendar honest and your task list actionable. For recurring tasks, here's the recommended approach. Don't set the recurrence inside Todoist. Create the task once in Todoist, then set up the recurrence directly in Morgen when you schedule it. This gives you finer control over how often those blocks appear and exactly where they land on your calendar, keeping your schedule clean and predictable. That's it. Your Todoist and Morgen are now working together so you can see your tasks, block time to do them, and keep everything in sync.